Hello friends. So today I'm going to explain you about cat command in Linux. So basically cat command is a very useful command in our day-to-day work. Through cat command we can do three things. We can create the file, we can write the file, and we can read the file. Okay, so let me log into the server and I will explain you. Okay, so this is my server. Okay, Linux server. So now let me first create the file with cat command. So what you have to do, you have to type cat and then greater than sign and then your file name. So test.txt. This is my file name. Hit enter. Yeah. So now you insert data here. This is my file. Okay. So now question is like after typing inserting a data how we have to come out from the file. So now here you have to press enter, means hit enter, and then you control D. You can see came out. So let me check created file. Yeah, you can see this is my file, which one I created just now. Now let me read the file with cat command. So I'm going to use cat and then file name. Yeah, you can see whatever the content inside this file, it's showing here. So whenever you need to read the file, you can use cat and file name. Okay. If you need to create the file, then cat and greater than sign and then your file name. Now question is how to write the file. So you have to use cat and then greater than sign test.txt. Okay. So if you give this command, if you hit it, this command, then what will be happen? That previous data will be deleted and new data will be inserted. So let me show you. So I'm going to hit enter here. Yeah, now you can see. So I will let me type the message here. This is my data. Okay. Now let me come out from this file. Oh yeah. So now I'm going to read this file. You can see here. Now data, now content is this is my data. This not showing this is my file. So whenever you type giving the single greater than sign, it means previous data will be deleting, like cat will delete the previous data and insert new data. So in this condition what we have to do, we have to use cat and then double greater than sign and text.txt, means we are going to append the file. Okay, append the file means like we are going to add more line. We are not deleting any previous line, we are going to add more new line. Okay, so now I'm doing this is first, this is my first data. Now come, let me come out. Yeah, now let me read the file. Yeah, you can see here. So previous data is also available and new data is also available. Okay. So this is a basic command, for cat. You can, if you want to append the file, you have to use greater than double greater than sign. If you want to read the file, then you have to use cat and file name. Okay. And let me create one more file here, cat test1.txt. This is data file. Okay. So now, if you need, read more than one file at a time, then what you have to do? You have to use cat and the file name. So I'm going to use test one.txt and test.txt. You can see in test.1.txt only this line is there. This is my data. This is data file. You can see this is a data file, and test.txt it's a two content. this is the my data, and this is my first data. This is my data, this is my first data. So if you want to read, multiple files with the cat command at the same time, you can use cat and file name with a space. So it will be, that the cat will read the both file. Now, if you need, wants to use line, you know, with line the if you wants to show with line the content, then what you have to do, you have to use cat hyphen and then file name. You can see it's showing line number one. First, this is my data, and second, this is my first data. Okay. So, and one more command is with cat. So if you want to use less and more, then what you have to do, you have to use test like a cat and then file name. If you want to read the file with less and more command, then what you have to do, you have to write, you have to use cat and file name and then less. So you can see it's showing with less in the top whatever sorry, bottom whatever the data it's showing. We need to come out from here. You need press Q button in your keyboard. Now let me type here mode. So you, if you know more than one page data, like so I'm going to show you here different file cat cat var log message. So and I have to use mode. So you can see in a page by page data will be shown here. So if you press escape button, then next page will come. If you press enter here, it's next line. See next line. If you press escape, sorry, space button, then in next page it will come. So like this is like more and less command. So you can use also with cat command. So in the I will show you like more with cat command where there are multiple options are there. You can use here main cat. So it will show you all the information about the cat. All the information about the cat it will be showing here. If you need more details, you can go with this command. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. Thank you.